here's our spinach. We're gonna saute the tomatoes, garlic, and onion. Look who is on the floor. Say hello to Coco. Say hello to Coco. You member of the family.
And I'll add just a spoon of green seasoning, not too much. Coco is American staff.
Yeah, our dog is American Staffordshire Terrier. Coco. Hi Coco, say hello. Say hello, honey.
He's only 8 weeks old. He's just a baby yet. But he's like a giant. That's what you call American bull, right?
Yeah. Yummy baby smells great.
Smells good?
Yeah.
So I like the garlic to roast up a little bit before I put in my spinach. We're doing frozen spinach fresh from the garden. Frozen. But this will lose its own water and cook up here in a few minutes. As you can see, it's still frozen here. All this here is frozen. So the dal is done, the okra is done. This is the last one, the spinach. Tomorrow we're probably gonna make some coconut choka, karayla. What else do I make? Some fried aloo, fried potatoes.
We have potato choka. We don't need more potato. That's too much carbs. I know you love me, but still, honey, too much carbs. We don't want to have our belly hanging over our pants waist, right?
Yep. Alright guys, we're gonna let this season up here and loosen up, and we're gonna be back in a minute. Alright folks, so I did 3 packs in here, not 2 packs, and it's kind of still frozen. Not much, as you can see that it's still frozen there. So it's not 2 pack, it's 3 pack. And it smells really, really good. And I'll add some jeera in here. Nalini, you want some jeera? No. Jeera, give it some nice flavor. Make it taste like my love jeera. It's gonna taste like a whole thing good to man.
Sorry.
It'll taste like Chanti house or a Jack house or a wedding house food. food, you know, when you drop that jeera in there. So y'all try it out, man. And it's been a while we did not play music. We've been busy. No, we just do this for fun. Hope you guys enjoy the cooking. Something that we love to do.
Yeah.
Look at that. How life can get better than that, man.
How can life get
Look
better
at this
than
here. In America. How life can get better than this in America. Not Guyana. You know, Guyana, my homeland, but you know what? I love America. Alright guys, it's been cooking for another few minutes here. And I think everything is really loosed up in here. It's not frozen anymore, so I'll let that cook. And there you go with the dal, okra, and mashed potatoes, and spinach.
Alright guys, check our spinach out.
Okay guys, we're gonna put some black pepper in here. This is almost done in the next few more minutes. We're gonna put some pepper flakes in here. It's so hard to get out the pepper.
Wow, the spinach look amazing, babe.
And it smells good too.
Yeah.
We gotta let this cook for a little bit. I think I'll put some salt in here. And let this cook for a few minutes. And it will be done. Guys, if you guys didn't subscribe to this channel, think about it. Please do so. Considering. And we're gonna be back